Alright, let's talk about something. Your cold outage is getting ignored, and I'm willing to bet it's not because your script is bad, it's because you're targeting to the wrong damn people. So, what if you could get a list of perfect fit prospects who are already out there searching for a solutions just like yours? If you are new to this channel, I'm Deepika, and at my company Scaling with Systems, we have helped hundreds of B2B teams and generated over 2,500 sales meetings. And I can tell you from personal experience, the single biggest level for booking meetings is not your script, it's your targeting. So today I'll break down the 5 Apollo type of filters that I call as sales Goldmine. These are the same ones that pull me hyper-targeted list of 1,200 sales decision makers. The number one mistake people make is blasting big generic list. They filter by CEO, grab thousands of contacts and hope something sticks. But the truth is, bad targeting kills your outreach faster than bad copy ever will. What you actually need is precision. List so well filtered that every person on it feels like they were handpicked. That's how you get more replies with fewer emails. Apollo is not just a giant database, it's a filtering engine. The gold is not in the 275 million contacts, it's in how you slice it down to the people who actually care about your solution. And that happens through 5 filters. Okay, let's dive into this. We start with the companies themselves. For industries, I chose information technology and service and computer software. Why? Because these are the hubs where SaaS, cloud tools, and workflow automations thrive. Instead of spraying across every industry, we zero in on the ones with natural demand. And in keywords, I layered in terms like SaaS, cloud software, workflow automations, business productivity. This cuts through the noise of irrelevant software companies and pinpoints the ones building in your exact problem space. Then we go to employee count. I said 20 to 200. If they're too small, they don't have a budget. If they're too big, they already have enterprise solutions. This range hits that sweet spot of scaling SaaS firms with growing pains. Then we go to locations. I chose United States. You could expand to Canada, UK, or Australia if you need more volume. So just with this, we have defined where the goal is buried. So next we go to the people sections. This is the next layer is who inside those companies we want. In job titles, I include operation managers, directors, head of revenue operations, VP of operations, COO, and CTO. Why? Because these are the people who feel the pain of inefficient workflows every single day. Pitching a random marketing intern won't move the needle, right? So in management level, I chose owner, founder, C-suite, VP, and director. This ensures we are speaking only to the decision makers, the people with budget and the authority to say yes. Instead of everyone with CEO in their title, this list is full of actual buyers. Third filter is technology stack. This is one of the Apollo's most underrated filters. I added Salesforce and HubSpot. Why? If they are already using tools like this, it's tell me two things. They are software buyers and they already invest in productivity systems. Plus, it creates instant relevance. If my product integrates with Salesforce, that's my opening hook. If I compete with HubSpot in certain feature, that's which I can use. Technology filters is equal to you're not guessing who might be interested. You're finding who's already investing in ecosystem you play in. Then we go to the filter 4. It is a funding stage. I selected seed through Series A, like seed, Series A, Series B, and Series C. Why this range? A company that just raised money in this growth mode, they have fresh capital and aggressive goals. At seed and Series A, they are setting up systems for the first time. At Series B or C, they are optimizing and scaling fast. Past Series D, companies usually move to the enterprise contracts with legacy vendors. That's not where we win. So, funding is like oxygen. The more of it they just got, the more urgently they are looking for the solutions like yours. So, the final filter is buying intent plus signals plus job postings. This is a game changer. Let's break down what each means. When we go to buying intent, this is the overhearing someone in a coffee shop talking about your product category. Like Apollo tracks when a company is researching topics online like workflow automations or sales automations. What it really means, they're already in the market. Instead of cold outreach, you're showing up when they are warm. When we go to signals, signals are the company life events that shifts priorities. Think funding rounds, new office openings, leadership hires, or product launches. These moments are golden because they force companies to adopt new tools. In plain words, signals is equal to timing close. So finally, then we will go to job postings. A massive underrated filters when a company is hiring a revenue operation managers or a business system analyst. It's code for we are scaling and we need better processes. That's your chance to step in and offer the solutions before the new hire even joins. Together, these three filters transform your list from random SaaS companies into SaaS companies actively shopping, changing, or hiring for the exact pain I solve. Building the list is only step one. Turning those lists into predictable revenue machines is the real work. If you want help implementing this entire system from filters to outreach to book to meetings, click the first link in description and book a call with my team. So let's recap. Filter number 1, company attributes. It's used to define your playground. And filter number 2, people filters. It's used to target the actual buyers. Filter number 3, technology filters. It is used to instant relevance. And funding stage, filter number 4, is used to urgency to buy. And fifth filter is combining of buying intent signals and job posting. It's used to timing clues that make outreach feel like you showed up at the perfect moment. These 5 filters are your sales goldmine. Stop blasting strangers, start building lists that feels handcrafted. Thanks for watching. Smash the like button if you got value, and I'll see you in this next video. Thank you.